Model 2015 Volkswagen Crafter County Route 35 2.0 TDI high roof needs body, white, panel van mileage, 188,425 engine, 1,968 cc 2.0 TDI 109 PSA transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts with a bump start starter motor needs replacing has a slight top-end rattle when started oil light is on the dash oil pump will need replacing this has been confirmed with the VW diagnostic computer when the oil pump is replaced it should eradicate the rattle, grin gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, parking sensors, cruise control, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £5,250. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.